Plant-based diet, meal prep tips for a healthy lifestyle and success. Discover easy plant-based meal prep strategies to boost your health, save time, and support a sustainable lifestyle with simple, nutrient-packed recipes. Plant-based diet, meal prep, simple strategies for a healthier, happier you. Hey, I want to share something that's been pretty life-changing for me lately. Plant-based diet meal prep. Now don't let that phrase scare you off. I'm not talking about spending hours in the kitchen chopping kale or whipping up complicated dishes. Actually, it's about making your life easier while boosting your health, saving time, and even doing a little good for the planet. Sounds like a win-win, right? If you've ever thought about trying a plant-based lifestyle, or just want to add more veggies and whole foods into your routine, meal prepping is where it all comes together. It's the secret sauce to staying consistent and making healthy eating feel less like a chore and more like an easy part of your day. Why go plant-based with meal prep? First off, a plant-based diet is packed with nutrients that support your holistic health. We're talking fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all great for boosting energy, improving digestion, and even supporting mental health. And when you prep meals ahead of time, you're less likely to fall into the trap of fast food or those late-night snack regrets. Plus, meal prepping helps you practice self-care and mindfulness by giving you control over what goes into your body. It's an act of love toward yourself, supporting your wellness journey without feeling overwhelmed. And bonus, you save time during the week because your meals are already ready to go. Getting started. Practical tips for plant-based meal prep. Here's a simple way to get started that you can do over a weekend or even in a couple hours in the evening. Pick your staples. Think versatile ingredients that keep well and can be used in different recipes. Beans, lentils, quinoa, sweet potatoes, greens like spinach or kale, and sturdy veggies like bell peppers and carrots are great choices. Cook in batches. Prepare big portions of grains and legumes. For instance, cook a large pot of quinoa and a batch of black beans to mix and match during the week. Mix and match meals. Having staples ready means you can throw together salads, burrito bowls, or stir-fries easily. Add different spices or sauces to keep things interesting. Pre-chop and store. Chop veggies ahead and store them in airtight containers, so assembling meals is quick. Plan simple recipes. Don't go for fancy. Think overnight oats, hummus and veggie wraps, roasted veggie and tofu bowls, or hearty soups. These are all manageable and nutrient-packed. Some easy and delicious recipe ideas. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, red onion, parsley, olives, and a lemon-tahini dressing. It's fresh and perfect for meal prepping. Sweet potato and black bean bowls. Roasted sweet potatoes, black beans, brown rice, avocado, and salsa. Simple and filling. Overnight oats. Rolled oats, soaked in almond milk with chia seeds, berries, and a touch of maple syrup. Prep in jars and grab one on your way out. Veggie Stir-Fry. Use frozen or fresh mixed veggies, tofu or tempeh, and a soy-ginger sauce. Quick to make and super flexible. How this supports a healthy lifestyle. Adopting a plant-based meal prep plan doesn't just impact your diet, it nudges your whole lifestyle towards wellness. When you nourish your body mindfully, it can improve your energy, mood, and even your mental clarity. That's why it pairs well with self-help and personal transformation efforts. You're setting yourself up for success because good food is kind of like fuel for all aspects of your life. Also, this way of eating is great for those wanting a bit more mindfulness in their routine. You slow down, plan ahead, and connect with food differently. It's all part of holistic health and self-care, where you honor your body's needs and make choices that respect your well-being, not just for today, but long-term too. If you want to take your knowledge about health and wellness even further, there are some fantastic books out there to guide you. These resources can offer deeper insight into how food, mindset, and lifestyle habits all come together to support a vibrant, balanced life. Explore the books now to find inspiration and practical advice for your personal journey. Final thoughts. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to simplify your current plant-based routine, Meal prep is a super useful tool. You save yourself time, reduce stress, and make sure your body is getting the nourishment it needs to thrive. Plus, you're contributing positively towards sustainable living, which feels good on so many levels. Give it a shot. Start small, experiment with recipes, and find what works best for you. Before you know it, it'll just become a normal part of your healthy lifestyle routine. Here's to better eating, feeling great, and embracing the awesome benefits of plant-based living.